Right, morning, guys. It's Monday, the 9th of December. We are Signal Centre talking ball. Joe Neighbour, Steve O'Hare, and Ian Coleman. Good morning,
Morning.
gentlemen.
Morning,
How
guys
are
and
you?
girls.
Oh, yes, of course.
Yes.
Men
Guys,
and
I suppose
women.
girls can be guys as well.
Yeah, absolutely. General term.
Yeah, okay. It's fine.
Um,
Any traders?
Traders, yeah. Right, so how are we doing? So let's have a quick look on what happened on Friday.
This little thing just come up says, do you want to leave this meeting?
Do you?
No, I don't really. I'll cancel that. There you go.
Okay, let's get this sheet up.
Buddy might bark.
Mary.
He's woofing. Buddy's woofing in the background.
There's a spreadsheet. So, Ian, you had a 1.75R winner on Friday on Euro Yen.
Lovely.
That'll do, won't it? Steve and myself were both stopped out on our trades. So overall, you kept us sort of fairly stable in with that win on the overall P&L. So we're still up 18.6% since we began. And clawing a little bit back into my lead, as you put it, on my fluky 7R win on FTSE.
Yeah.
It wasn't FTSE, was it? I thought it was Bitcoin.
It was a FTSE. I know, I had a couple of weeks on Bitcoin as well.
Bitcoin was a ridiculous R, wasn't it?
No, the FTSE was the 7R one.
Oh, right, okay.
It's the trades. So I lost loads on the FTSE the week before, and then we had that 7.63. It took it from 2.6 to 10.22.
And then the Bitcoin 3.9.
Yeah, a couple of them.
So those two whammers.
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you think the old Sharp ratio would look like?
There's all is there. Boom. Okay, so Ian, you're honour because you the only one that got a winner on Friday. So what are you looking at this morning?
Cable
ahead of
keep the cable stable while we all drink Black Label.
Drink your wank a drink. Drink your wank a drink. That's the game we were playing on.
Yes, to lower the tone
at the weekend. You had to say that without you had to talk to each other, go around the table, and if you showed your teeth, you had to drink your drink.
Jesus, sounds beautiful.
Shows your teeth. So didn't they do that on?
That's it, on the Keith Lemon thing. Yeah.
Yeah.
The landlord didn't seem too amused when we started it, but he was all right. We spent enough money to keep him happy.
Dollar index chart. Impulsive move to the downside. We had a bullish outside day on Friday on the dollar on the back of non-farm. I don't know if it's going to make another rally to a new high, but I think the short-term bias is definitely bullish on the dollar. So what we've done this morning, and we've got a far better entry than I'm going to get, is we've sold cable at 131.75 for our subscribers, and it's now trading at 131.55. So we're probably going to be putting the stop into entry. I think that the conservative win is now priced into the market.
I think you're going to say nailed on.
No.
Yeah, brave man called that.
Priced into the market. I think that as far as an Elliott wave formation is concerned, 1, 2, 3, this could be a short fifth. There's a 161.8%, a middle 161.8% fib level around here. There's 131.76 is our bespoke resistance, and we've got this trend line, which is a long-term trend line coming in at 131.45. So I think we're going to reject that and pull lower. Reverse trend line support is located at 129.67. If we go to this time frame, which is the weekly chart, loads of scribblings, but we have this 50% fib level as well at 131.72. We've also got a DMARC 13 count on the 4-hour chart, so I think we've topped out. So this is what I'm going for. And I was looking for a little bit better, but never mind. It's 129.80 is target, 75's target. That'll do. So selling at the market, which are currently 131.56. Stop at 131.81. I'll have it over the high, and a target of 127 to 129.75.
Very
so
nice.
7R.
Go on, son. What's the doctor doing in your background, by the way?
Oh, everybody's ill in this house.
Oh, really?
Yeah, projectile vomiting.
Oh, nice.
It's been the theme for the weekend, with no booze consumed.
That's even worse.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Maybe that's the reason. It's like an allergic
My
reaction.
body's
to the
not used to
lack
it,
of
is it?
alcohol.
Yeah, my body's definitely not used to it. I've been all
That's-
right actually. I've been the only one that swerved it. I don't think the germs want to go near me.
It'll catch up, mate. Don't worry.
Oh, thanks.
Okay, I'll share my chart. I'm taking a look at DAX this morning. Hopefully, you wasn't looking at that, Steve.
No, I'm not. I'm not looking at anything. Actually, I've had 8 losers on the spin, and it's actually impossible to have 9 losers on the spin.
That's what I've heard.
Yeah. So if anyone's ever trading and they sort of like, they've had a bad run, I've only had 8 losers. Next one, just absolutely massively go for it.
Okay, so this is the DAX. This is the 4-hour chart. We've got some sort of bearish channel here. Obviously, we saw this big sell-off last week and a rally back towards the 61.8%. On the first attempt at trying to overcome that, we failed. We're back up there again. It was looking, that candle on the 4 hours looking a bit better when I was initially looking at this trade, but it's rallied. Don't know if there's any news out, Steve. Is there anything that's just come out?
No, I've just seen. My idea is actually buying down, and it just keeps rallying while you talk.
Right.
So I
I'm
don't
just
know.
going to delay
see anything.
it a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I was looking
Belly
to sell into this 61.8% basically, and looking at it on the hourly chart. That candle did look better over the last 51 minutes, but now it's having a go. So I'm going to still have a go at it anyway. I'm going to put the stop at 13,215. I'm going to target and move down to here at 12,950. And the current price is 13,170.
Kyoto has said the Japanese initial 2020 fiscal budget will hit a new record.
Right.
Maybe
So
that's
risk
a little
on.
bit. Yeah.
Okay.
Right. Okay.
Right. Let's see how we go. Selling
Okay.
DAX.
Right. All right. If I share mine. Sharesy. Right. Obviously, US equities had a roar to the upside after non-farm payroll.
Yeah.
We're very close to all-time highs, and really, I can't see any reason for this to slow down. I'm going to go for a big R on this because I need to do a bit of catching up, and it's the 9th day I've lost 8 days straight, so I'm going to.
The 9th day of Christmas as well. It's 9th of December.
It is.
All the 9s are lining up.
Oh, the 9. The rule of 9.
Excellent. I wonder if I could actually 27,990. That's where I want. That's where I was. It actually was. It rallied to a bit higher when you were talking, but it's come back. So I'm going to buy 27,990. Stop is at 27,960. The target is 28,200.
7R.
Let's get that new high. Yeah, 7R.
Stevie.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Should be 9R really.
You're right. Let me just no, absolutely right. I'm glad you said that. So let's go for 270
Yeah,
ticks.
move the profit level rather than stop. Definitely.
Yeah, absolutely. So 9R. There we
Okay.
go.
Happy days.
Thank you for that, Joe. Yeah, that's me done.
Okay, fantastic. Good luck, everybody, if you're having a go at those.
Yeah, do not copy these trade ideas. It is bad for your health and your trading account.
We're up 18%. It's not that bad.
Yeah, that's if they followed you, you're sort of like.
Well, if they followed me, they'd be up like 30. But
I'll get out of it.
Okay, so week ahead. Obviously, the
today.
big, no real information out today. Obviously, on the back of last week's non-farm payroll, that was much better than expected, coming in at 266,000, which obviously pushed risk assets higher. Sterling continues to be supported by hopes or expectations of a Conservative election victory. That was at 7-month highs against the US dollar. According to the latest opinion poll, a 12-point lead for the Conservative Party.
12?
Yeah, doesn't sound a lot, does it?
Huh?
12 points, is that big?
That's massive. In just a week prior to the election, it's
43%, 33% at the moment, Conservative.
Okay. Well, apparently, there's a lot of tactical voters that haven't said what they're going to do yet, and there's a lot of young people that haven't voted or given an opinion either way. So it could be down to them. come Thursday. We've got some Chinese data out later, I think. I think that's, or was it overnight tonight?
Yeah, I think it'd be overnight.
We've got UK GDP tomorrow.
ZEW survey.
ZEW tomorrow, is that?
Yeah.
Okay. Industrial production in the UK. We've got interest rate decision from the US on Wednesday.
Mm-hmm. ECB
One,
meeting Thursday.
yeah.
Yeah.
One of the big events this week is Saudi Aramco. Have you seen that? That's starting to trade on Wednesday. IPO.
Is
Biggest
this the one that was
company.
impacted by the attacks?
Possibly.
in
It's
Saudi
going to be
Arabia? I
the
think it was
biggest
them, yeah.
company in the world. It's going to overtake Apple
Oh, really?
and Amazon immediately as soon as it starts trading.
It's an oil company.
Yeah, it's the Saudi national company, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, and they go what? They're going public.
Going public, yeah.
So
That's a top in oil, is it?
Yeah, very possibly.
State-owned Saudi Arabian oil company, Saudi Aramco for short, begins trading on Wednesday. Largest publicly traded company on earth with a market cap of 1.7 trillion US dollars.
Wowzer.
It will surpass Apple's market cap by $500 billion. So it's not even close, is it, in terms of the size of them two?
Wow.
Massive.
Excellent.
Yeah, and then obviously elections on Thursday. So quite a lot.
December the 15th coming up.
Yeah, so what was the significance of that date again, Ian, on the trade talks?
Potential
It's when
tariffs.
It's when it's the deadline, isn't it, for China,
tariffs.
US. Yeah. If he doesn't get a deal by then, that's when he whacks in $2 billion worth of tariffs on China.
So it's not going to be the quiet December that we normally get.
It just feels like it's not going to happen. There's not going to be a trade deal. Like there's not going to be a Brexit. It just feels all like that at the moment.
It's just all very divided, isn't it?
Yeah, just like you get sort of, I don't know. It just feels like a bit of everyone's floating about, not knowing what to do, and gets bashed by tweets from each side.
Yeah, tough conditions out there.
Yeah.
All right, should we wrap it up there then
Yep.
for today?
Yeah, have a good one.
Yeah, cool. Speak to you all soon, gents.
Cheers.
Bye-bye.